What's going on?
Hey, what's going on? So, can I ask who called you guys?
We don't know. We don't know.
There was no name. It was just a call. Somebody called. We heard a disturbance, and they hung up the phone.
What was it? A girl?
We didn't answer the phone.
My friend or my girlfriend. Me and my girlfriend were fighting. She was going nuts. She trashed my car.
Okay.
So, she threw a public sub all over my car, and I took it off my car and threw it back at hers. And then she was just hitting me, tackling me. And I'm just like, get off me, get out, get out. Because originally we were inside the house, and she was being very aggressive, holding me down, punching me. And I was trying to leave my bathroom. We were in my grandma's bathroom, trying to leave. And she's like, I'm not going nowhere until you move. I'm like, just leave. Please leave, please leave, please leave. She just wouldn't move. I literally sat down on the toilet, waited for her to leave the bathroom.
Yeah.
And then she came out here, grabbed channel locks, and she was hitting my car with channel locks. And then she started chasing me around. Yes. Okay. She was chasing me around with channel locks.
On November 16th, 2025, Pompano Beach police responded to a dating violence call after a couple's argument spiraled out of control. The victim alleged his girlfriend had become physically aggressive, using tools as weapons and preventing him from leaving his own home. Under Florida's mandatory arrest law, officers would have no discretion if probable cause existed for domestic battery. Under Florida Statute 741.2901, dating violence is defined as violence between individuals who have had a continuing romantic relationship. The victim describes being physically restrained and prevented from leaving. This could constitute false imprisonment under Florida law, which enhances the severity of potential charges.
No, I didn't call the police because I was just leave my house. She was just going crazy.
Where is she at?
I have no idea. She took off.
Does she live here with you?
No, she doesn't.
Do you live here?
Yes.
Where does she live?
Oakland Park.
How long you guys been
I don't, a year and a half. I didn't even know that you guys were coming. My dad was like, the cops are out front. And I was like, oh my God.
What happened? What led up to you guys getting into those?
She was just mad about girl stuff. She wanted to see my phone, and I was saying no.
Okay.
And she was just going nuts.
Yeah.
Last night, I de-escalated a fight, one fight that she was gonna get into, and then 5 minutes later, she got into another fight, assaulted the girl. I grabbed her away. She talked to the cops for 2 hours, and then now the other girl's gonna press charges on her. This was literally last night, and I was like, you need to stop going nuts.
Yeah.
And then this just happened today.
Okay.
And I threw an egg and a sub at her car after she was trying to hit me in the head with a pair of channel locks.
All right.
So that's all I did. And then after that, she was coming at me pretty hard, hitting me. I obviously didn't touch her a single time.
Anybody else inside witnessed all this happen?
Yeah, I guess.
All right.
They were at the door, but she was with her friend, and then my best friend was just here. He just got off his boat, and then he took off.
Do you drive this car?
No. I just bought this car from my grandma, actually. I haven't even drove it yet.
Whose tag is that?
Let me grab a notepad.
The tag?
Yeah.
Oh, it's an old tag I just put on there. So the city, it's...
Whose tag is it?
I think it's my grandpa's old tag maybe, but I haven't driven the car yet. I still need to get my new license from the DMV. I have a scooter. It's up there. That's what I drive. But I have the insurance and registration and everything. I bought it for my grandma for $1,000.
Did you already transfer the title?
Yeah, I did.
How long you guys dated?
A year and a half.
Year and a half.
Yeah.
Okay.
After she did all that, that's when she was coming at me and attacking me. She tackled me down to the floor right here.
Yeah.
After I threw it back at her car, because I was like, just get the out. I told her to leave my house for 30 minutes.
Does she typically get physical with you?
The victim's description of being chased with channel locks could elevate this incident to aggravated battery under Florida Statute 784.045. Courts have consistently held that ordinary objects become deadly weapons when used in a manner likely to cause death or great bodily harm. The victim's statement that physical aggression happens all the time establishes a pattern of behavior that prosecutors can use to demonstrate intent. However, he immediately says he doesn't want anything to happen to her, a common dynamic in domestic violence cases.
Is that the way she reacts to?
Yes, all the time. But I don't want anything to happen to her. Like,
Right.
I love her to death. She does it all the time. She's a little cuckoo, but
Does she have any depression, anxiety diagnosis, anything like that?
I'm like 100% sure she's bipolar, but she's not diagnosed.
Got it.
But I think she is. She threw a sandwich on my car. She was hitting my car with channel locks. She poured a can of Dr. Pepper on my car.
Yeah. What's your plan going forward with your relationship with this girl?
I don't want a relationship with her. I just, honestly, I told her this is it. I was like, I'm done. I'm not doing this with you anymore. But yeah. So, I was so mad. Like, she was hitting me so many times. On her truck, I smacked her mirror in. Like that one, like after she hit me and threw the sub all over my car.
Yeah.
I walked up to her truck and I was like, but that's about it. Like,
okay.
Other than that, that's about it.
Okay.
Like, just so, she's probably going to say I smacked her mirror, but I did after she, hit me and tapped me.
Yeah.
Even though I shouldn't have done it, probably, but...
Is it, the truck's damaged?
No. It's not damaged.
Yeah. Okay. So just so I recap, you guys were inside.
Yeah.
You said you were sitting on the toilet. Is that where it started?
So
it started in the bathroom and then you moved to?
in my room.
Yeah.
I was literally talking to her, and then I was on my phone, and then she went like this and went to grab my phone. And I was like, "What are you doing?" And she was like, you got me so f***ed up. Like, why aren't you giving me your phone? I'm like, because it's been really toxic with her, and she's just been talking to other guys for the longest time,
Okay.
and I was just like, I don't even care anymore about it. So I was like, let me see your phone. She was like, no. I'm like, exactly.
Okay.
And then that's when it started. And then
Back and forth,
and then
yeah.
she wouldn't let me leave my room. Like, she was blocking me,
Okay.
hard. I'm like, come on, move.
Yeah.
Move. Come on, move. She's like, no. So
Yeah.
that's when I went. I sat on the toilet because I would never touch
In your
this
room?
girl. Yeah.
Okay.
In my bathroom, in my room.
Yeah. So you separated yourself. You went to the toilet, or you just went to the bathroom to go sit on?
Yeah, she was in the bathroom.
Yeah.
She's at the bathroom door blocking
Oh,
me.
okay.
And I'm sitting
Yeah.
on the toilet waiting for her to move.
Right.
And I was like, I could wait all day. And
Yeah. At what point did she start hitting you?
when I came out front and I was telling her to leave.
So she eventually moved out the way so you can get out, or?
Yeah, she did.
Yeah. Okay.
I was sitting on the toilet for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And then she walked into my room. And then I walked outside. She was getting all of her stuff.
Yeah.
And then she was sitting in my front yard for another 20 minutes. And I was like, "Fucking leave! Get the fuck out of here!"
Yeah.
Because just everything she's been doing, I don't want anything to do with her anymore. And
Yeah.
I'm just this is it. You're gonna get the police called. You're at my house screaming, causing a scene, beating me up in my front yard.
Right.
Even though that sounds so wrong to say, but what am I gonna do?
No, I get you. All right. So she was sitting in the yard. I'm just trying to paint a accurate timeline. Sitting in the yard. You're telling her to get out. At what point did she get physically put hands on you? You said she tackled you.
Yeah, she's right here,
Okay.
where we're standing. And she was just charging me, and I'm just standing still. Everyone's screaming at me to go inside, but I'm just no, this is my front yard.
Yeah.
I'm telling her to leave.
Okay. Were they trying to separate you
Yeah,
guys?
they were just stop, and I'm okay, but I'm getting attacked here. But my friend and her were telling me to stop, and my friend's just screaming at my girlfriend stop f***ing touching, get off of him, y'all need to stop.
Yeah.
She's not that much smaller than me. She's a bigger girl. She's a strong girl. If she runs at me full strength,
Yeah.
it hurts. I'm not a bitch, but
Right.
punches and scratches and slaps still are annoying.
Right.
And obviously it would be a completely different story if the tables were turned. So that's why I just am this is ridiculous. Just get out of my house. You're already hitting me at my own house. This is my property. You're putting hands on me. You're going psycho. Sorry. Oh, 1 second.
You guys have been dating for a year and a half.
Yeah.
Based on what you're telling us or whatever. She's obviously not here, so we can't speak to her. Do you want to press charges against her?
No.
Do you want to make a sworn statement? Do you want to take any pictures?
No.
Okay, so what you're telling us that happened is dating violence. In the state of Florida, we don't have discretion.
All right.
Okay? So I'm going to give you a case card and information.
Thank you.
All right, hold on.
I appreciate that.
You understand what she means? What she just
Yeah,
explained?
like, do I want to press charges?
Well, you don't want to press charges.
No.
But in the state of Florida, we have to file charges regardless, and
So-
it's up to the state whether or not they pursue charges. A lot of times, they don't because the reporting party, in this case is you don't want to pursue charges. So the state, they receive the report, they look at it and they say, okay, he doesn't want to press charges, we're not going to take the charges. But as of today, the state requires us to at least submit charges to see if they'll take it. You understand?
Yeah.
That's just by
Like, what
law.
kind of
We
charges,
have to. Dating violence, battery. So this.
I just don't want her to get, like, charges.
Yeah, it'll be documented as such.
Okay.
But just so you're aware, in the state of Florida, anytime if two people are dating and one person is alleging that the other person hit the other, if both parties were here, somebody would be going to jail.
Really?
Hands down, we don't have discretion. It's not like a speeding ticket where I can say, okay, you can go home. If both parties are here, we would have to take somebody based on what happened.
Florida Statute 741.29 requires officers to make an arrest when they have probable cause to believe domestic violence occurred, regardless of the victim's wishes. This mandatory arrest law was implemented to address the cycle of violence where victims often recant due to fear or emotional manipulation.
Hi.
I need you to come with me.
Very cooperative.
Okay.
Let me see this.
I'm going to take all your jewelry and leave it here. So it doesn't go with us. That way it doesn't go missing, okay? Here, you know what?
You can just, the bracelet.
Take off your rings too. I'm going to have to swap cuffs anyway, so hang tight. Go ahead. Start taking your ring off again.
Do I take it?
No. Anything on you're not supposed to have? You got a bra on?
No.
Okay. You want us to get your shoes? I can't let you back in the house, but do you want to get your shoes? You want to go barefoot? I'll give you slides over there. Okay.
You sure you don't want Zambos or anything? I don't want you guys going in because of the dog, though. I don't know what he's gonna do, and it's fine.
You're gonna go from here, and you're gonna go from my car to there, and I'll get sandals right away.
Well, you said Mom was close by, right? Yeah, she's down commercial. I think she's at her physical therapy.
Okay. Turn off phone.
Like I said, I don't get my phone for the rest until I leave. How much did I get it?
No, you're gonna get your phone when you're released, but you'll be able to get numbers out. So if you want to get your sister's phone number,
Turn your hands like you're praying, okay? Wait, hold on.
your jewelry. Can I leave this somewhere outside?
Yeah, put it in that thing.
Right here.
Anywhere.
Just like a real quick pat down for me. No pockets in these.
Oops.
What happened?
Huh? No, I bumped you.
Oh no, you're fine. Okay. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
What do we do with the phone? Oh, can we leave the phone here? You take it with you.
No, I want to take it.
Okay. Is it off?
No, she
Okay.
just didn't want to get numbers
Is
out
the
of it.
battery charged?
Yeah, she's got that.
Okay.
You have to. Can I read the details?
Yeah.
You want me to give your sister a call and let her know everything? Okay.
Huh?
What? Am I buckled?
No, don't worry.
Okay.
You know your sister's put on my heart?
The suspect's return to the scene provides officers with the opportunity to make the mandatory arrest. Notice the professional manner in which the arrest is conducted. Officers immediately secure her hands behind her back and begin standard booking procedure. The suspect does not appear to resist physically, which prevents additional charges. According to court records, the suspect was charged with dating violence battery under Florida Statute 741.2901. If convicted, she faces up to 1 year in county jail and a $1,000 fine. The male victim receives a B+ for providing detailed information and showing restraint, though his admission of throwing food at her vehicle could complicate his victim status. The female suspect receives an F for alleged use of tools as weapons and pattern of aggressive behavior. The responding officers receive an A- for conducting a thorough investigation and properly applying Florida's mandatory arrest law. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.